If you're looking for the best ceiling fans with light, you are in the perfect spot. In this video, we've curated a list of the top 5 ceiling fans with light, designed to elevate your space with style and functionality. Whether you're searching for better airflow, modern lighting, or energy-efficient options, these fans have got you covered. We'll dive into their features, benefits, and why they're worth your consideration. We've spent countless hours researching hundreds of products so you don't have to. From innovative designs to the most practical choices, we've done the homework for you. Stick around as we reveal these top picks and help you find the perfect ceiling fan for your home. Don't forget to check the product links in the description below for more details and the best deals. Number 5. The ventilador Los LED techo, a 27-socket fan light AC hogar home cooling cold cocina selling living room ampoule ventilator fan combines sleek modern design with essential functionality. Its 6-blade ABS construction ensures efficient air circulation, while the LED bulb included provides bright energy-saving lighting. Controlled via a convenient remote, it's perfect for modern living spaces, kitchens, or bedrooms. Pros: affordable, lightweight, and easy to install with self-contained setup, certified for safety.ce. Cons: limited light coverage due to a single bulb and smaller blade size, 46 cm. Number 4. The 72W Ceiling Fan Ceiling Light 85265V Ceiling Fans with Light and Remote offers versatile functionality with 3-color dimmable lighting and a 6-speed fan regulation. Its compact design is ideal for small to medium rooms, providing quiet, efficient cooling and lighting, controlled by a user-friendly remote. And pros: smart dimming options, quiet operation, and modern style, certified for safety and durability. Heavier: at 3 kg and its 20 kg blade size may not suit larger rooms. Number 3. The Xiaomi LED 40W Ceiling Fan Light E27 is a reliable option for those seeking a high-performing fan with a stylish touch. Its large 50-token blades provide robust airflow, while the dimmable LED light ensures versatile illumination. Controlled by a remote, it's ideal for various spaces like living rooms and studies. Pros: high luminous flux for excellent lighting, lightweight design, 700G, and energy-efficient operation. Cons: requires assembly and its spray paint finish may not suit all aesthetics. Number 2. The intelligent LED ceiling fan lamp stands out with its low decibel operation and smart timed functions. This modern fan features dimmable LED lighting and a 6-speed variable frequency motor for customizable airflow. Its compact design and quiet operation make it perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, and dining spaces. And most importantly, pros: silent operation, timing functions, and energy-efficient copper motor. Heavier, said one of 2 men. Heavier, replied the other, with only 3 blades which may limit airflow in larger rooms. Number 1. The modern ceiling fan lamp LED fan light RC Dimmable takes the top spot, with its stunning crystal design and versatile features. Perfect for any elegant setting, this fan offers retractable blades for a seamless look when not in use. The dimmable LED lighting and 6-speed settings make it a standout choice for year-round comfort. Pros: luxurious design, multifunctional, and robust with a 4 kg build. Heavier than others, making installation slightly more challenging.